want to learn free German language course? Then you have to follow each and every rules, and I will be selecting any two winners and you will be getting free classes. Huge gift of the Teachers' Day to all my students, to all my GG family. So step by step, all two winners from you all, and that he or she, whosoever he will be getting a huge gift from my side, and that gift will be that you will be getting free German language course. Hello guys, you are watching Germangyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today I am here for you, with an amazing video. This video is not about learning German, but in this video you will be getting a huge gift from me as a teacher on Teachers' Day. I say that this year I couldn't believe that Teachers' Day is here, because time has just flew up like this. So guys, this Teachers' Day I am giving up a huge gifts to all my followers, to all my GG family. So in this giveaway, what you have to do is you will be having some rules which you have to follow. So I will be giving you in the description box. So you have to follow all that rules, and once you follow all that rules, what you're gonna have to do is you just have to complete it, and then on 8th this giveaway is finishing, and on the 10th of September I will be giving you the results of it. So stay excited, and giveaway I will be selecting 2 students, and that 2 students will be getting free German language course from me of any one level, whether it is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, whether it is whatever level. And best thing is anyone can apply worldwide. So I hope you are excited and you will be participating in it. So guys, just go, hurry up and participate. Next video on Saturday I'm coming live at 3 PM. So I have already got so many questions. So let's see what all question I'm gonna answer, because I have to shortlist, because there are so many. There are more than, I think so, 150 question, and I have to shortlist it. So let's see what all questions I will be doing it. And if you want to ask anything, and that I prefer that it will be very important, then definitely I'm gonna answer your questions. So you can DM me your questions in the comment sections, or you can DM me on my Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere wherever you follow me. So guys, see you, and happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you so much to make me teacher, and love you all. Bye bye. Please take care, stay tuned, and see you on Saturday.